Welcome back, and today we're going to move down the body a bit and do a release with awareness for the piriformis muscle. Now my glamorous assistant Melon is going to show you exactly where the piriformis muscle is. So it comes from the outer part of the sacrum, which is the bone in the middle of the pelvis. That's it. And it goes to the greater trochanter of the femur, which is the sticky out bit on the side there. But the most important thing is what it covers, which is the back of that hip joint. So if there's any problems with the hip or the pelvis, then the piriformis is probably going to be something a little uncomfortable, and it can be quite sore. So it's important to be able to stretch it out effectively. And this is where our friend the spiky massage ball comes back in. Now Melon's going to get down on the floor and she's going to show you the best way to stretch out and really release that piriformis. So she's going to lie on her back with her right foot, and she's going to stretch the right piriformis. So the right foot's going to be up on the couch, which you can put on a chair, the bed, the couch, whatever you like. But the important thing is that the right leg stays relaxed. The left knee's bent and the left foot is on the floor, because that's going to be the one she uses to manoeuvre with. So she's going to put the ball under her right piriformis. So she's thinking about where the back of the hip joint is, and she's also thinking about which bit's going to be a little bit tender, because for most people the piriformis is a wee bit tender. So she's now got the ball positioned under her right piriformis, and she's going to use her left foot to push herself around and manoeuvre herself so that the ball is now under the bit that's most tender, and she's got as much weight going through there as possible. If it's too sore, just take a bit of weight off, because you do want to be able to relax through this. She's now relaxed with as much weight as she can comfortably manage going through the ball, and she's now thinking about where the muscle starts, so in the sacrum, and she's thinking about where the muscle finishes outside the hip. And she's just thinking about making that muscle go really soft, and thinking about those 2 points getting further and further apart as the muscle lengthens. And as she's thinking about that, she's breathing gently in and out, and on every out breath she's just feeling that muscle getting longer, softer and more relaxed. And she's got that muscle nice and short and nice and relaxed at the moment. That's good. And then to stretch it out, what she's going to do is to bring that right foot just over her left knee. Good. And then she's going to bring her left knee up towards her chest to really stretch that muscle out. That's it. So the ball's come away from the piriformis now, but she's going to stretch that muscle out just to really finish off the release with awareness of the piriformis muscle. Good. So your job is to do that for a minute on each side every night.